Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday once again. I missed all of you. It's been a while since my last video. Naging busy po tayo. Tomorrow, I think, will be a busy day again dahil darating inventory. So, ano lang, taking this opportunity na wala sila, wala mga tao nasa field. They're out there in the downstream promoting our wonderful product, Miracell Plus. As promised, ito ngayon yung second portion ng aking overall presentation kasi yung first presentation was more on product. Pag hindi nyo napanood yung product video clip ko, you just go to our YouTube channel. Nandiyan dyan naman sa slide. Makikita mo yung address ng YouTube channel namin. Just visit it and hanapin nyo lang. Because after this, I will be uploading this video in the same channel. No? So I'll make it short, maximum 25 minutes per clip kasi I want to make the file uploadable at saka mabilis. So baka 2 parts tayo. Okay, so this is about business opportunity with Rico Beard. 5.5 months ago, when sinubukan namin yung product at naging positive yung product sa aming health, and briefly tinignan ko yung opportunity, tinignan ko yung business model, looks good. So, sabi ko, let's do it. Okay? So, while doing it, we're still learning. Natututo kami. Nakikita namin yung overall picture ng opportunity. Napakaganda. Kasi marami na rin akong pinanggalingan but, in the process, kwento ko sa inyo. So, this video will be talking about the business opportunity. Kasama dito yung compensation plan, the business model. I will be presenting it parang overview lang kasi I don't want to go into detail. On detail kasi it takes a lot of time. If you want to go into detail and you're interested to join my team, our team, mag-table talk tayo or mag-one-on-one Zoom meeting tayo. So, we are on social media. We are on Viber. We are on WhatsApp. We have an email. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions, or if you desire to try our product, or if you desire to try our business opportunity that we're offering to you. Okay? Madali lang po yan. Reach out and we will accommodate you. So, ang magiging another part of the video will be the, what you call this, the compensation plan itself. Okay, so let's start. So, what is the business opportunity? No? Throwback lang, it all started with a lady. Her name is Alvi Clictas. No? Nag-umpisa siya. Street smart. She's been a direct seller, networker most of her life. Marami siyang pinagdaanan sa buhay. Marami siyang rejections from friends, families. Alam niyo, normal lang naman yan eh. As we go through building our business. Kami rin, we're going through the same challenges, but we're not focusing on our rejections. We're focusing on building our business every day. So her name is Alvic. She's the country manager. She's the number one member in the Philippines. Right now, I believe she has about 17 to 18,000 members in a span of almost 2 years or 2 years to be exact. Beside her is Dr. Jaime Lusterio. We call him Dr. Giorgio Lusterio. He's an expert in immunology and nutrition, stem cells, so he's an authority pagdating sa stem cells, nutrition, and immunology. Maraming doctors na nakikinig sa kanya kasi mga doctors na nakikinig sa kanya are having another field of specialty. Okay, so as you can see from the slide, Young Blood kasi ang management team ng Malaysia. So, inintindi ko, ano ang advantage ng Young Blood or middle-aged managers? Marami kasing advantages yan. Number one, continuity of their ideas, fresh ideas, aggressive sila, they are technology-driven, which is very important naman kasi sa business nowadays. Ang negosyo ngayon is kailangan sumabay sa technology. Maiintindihan niyo yan once you join our team, how technology plays a good part of our opportunity. So yan po yung people management ng Malaysia behind the company, and yan po yung si Ma'am Ligtas, Ma'am Alvic, she's the country manager right now. Um, ano ang dahilan ng mga tao bakit nag-join sa ganitong klaseng negosyo? Marami. Mga bata, of course, they have to satisfy their needs. Yung mga nag-umpisa sa buhay o yung mga nasa kalagitnaan ng mga career nila, they are in the, state of, nag-iipon sila para sa education ng kids nila, para sa house, sa car, etc. etc. Sa mga taong like myself na senior na, no, nag-upgrade kasi yung aming, what you call this reason. Ang importante sa tulad ko at my age, healthy. We have to be healthy. So right now, I'm happy na I have access with stem cell. I have access with different kinds of products that can help me to become more healthy. Okay? Mahirap maging healthy sa ganitong klaseng environment. Okay? Toxic, stress, etc. Water, food, etc. Air. So meron tayong health support, stem cell level. Money, when I say money, passive income to. We're building passive income to sustain our existence. Kasi nag-i-improve yung health mo, humahaba din yung buhay mo, but you have to sustain. Kailangan may resources ka. Diyan papasok ang money or passive income. Time naman, nagagawa ko na yung gusto ko. Unlike many years ago, or unlike over the years, bago ako nag-retire noong 2019 from corporate, wala akong time to do what I want to do. So immediately bumalik ako sa academe right after retirement. Ganun din, wala rin akong time because I was teaching in the undergrad. I was also teaching in the grad school. Because I have a master's degree in business administration, tapos I took my PhD pa, my doctorate degree during COVID, so wala akong time. So ngayon na-apply ko yung time kasi nagagawa ko na yung gusto ko, like what I'm doing right now. So kayo meron din kayong reasons. No? Ang marketing plan ng company is simply direct selling. No? Tulad ng ibang direct selling groups na itinayo many years ago na hanggang ngayon nandito pa, Amway, Tupperware, Herbalife, Mary Kay, marami. And direct selling is the business model of Ribbit. Okay. Ano yung mga dahilan kung bakit may mga company are going into direct selling model? Marami. Meron din mga companies kasi na hindi. They open their shops, they open their franchises. Okay. Maraming reason, but there is only one common reason kasi. Leverage business kasi. When you do leverage business, ibig sabihin, fast track. Bakit nagkaroon ng leverage business? Because of the population. Nag-increase na eh. Naging complicated na environment natin. You have to be present everywhere at the same time. Competition is there. Kaya kailangan leverage business. Bakit? Ang mga big players natin like SM, Robinsons, McDonald's, Jollibee, who owns Mang Inasal, who also owns Chowking, and BDO, and other industries, insurance industries, are already applying leverage business kasi it is a need to do leverage business if you want to compete. Kung gusto mo maging competitive, mag-leverage business ka. Kasi ang hirap na nag-iisa. Okay? I hope you get the point. So, yun ngayon ang competitive edge ng bawat kumpanya. Leverage business. The same thing with direct selling. Kung may leverage business yung mga malalaking kumpanya, mga established brands, dapat lang naman ang direct seller kailangan mag-leverage din kasi kailangan kasi you have to be competitive and kailangan mo i-fast track yung success mo. Kung pwede mo naman gawin in 2 years instead of 15 years, why not? Literally, kung kaya mo mag-aeroplano, imbis na magbarko, why not? Kung kaya mo i-shortcut yung time, why not? Power of leverage allows you to maging present sa iba-ibang area kasi ikaw yung direct seller, no? Ang hirap bumiyahe. I know, I think you already understand what I'm trying to point out. Nakaka-time consuming kasi yung nagdi-direct sell ka, tapos yung biyahe mo, etc., etc. So, Anong direction ito? Mag-leverage ka rin. You build your own users, distributors, and builders. No? For example, pag nag-start ka, tulad namin, nag-start kami dito with nothing. Brochure lang. After liking the product, after studying the plan, we started sharing. No? May rejections dyan, so what? Okay? But if you do this diligently, consistently, go with the correct mindset, you can accept rejection, nothing personal, just business, di ba? Ang mangyayari kasi sa'yo down the line is magkakaroon ka ng set of users. Yung users na yon, pwedeng maging interesado, hindi lahat, but some of them, pwedeng magsabi sa'yo, tulungan mo naman ako. Can we do the business also? So they become your retailers. Tapos yung mga retailers na yun, they realize na, o nga no, mas mabilis ata kung mag-leverage din ako. So nagiging builder sila. So ang dami mo, meron ka tatlong profiles in your group, no? Composed of users, retailers, and builders, no? And you can do this within Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Technology is there, social media is there, Zoom is there, okay? So, brochures are there, contacts are there, kaibigan ng kaibigan mo are there. So, ito po yun. So, ang mangyayari kasi, passive income ang papasok sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, kahit busy ka sa isang araw, may papasok na income through the system na paliwanag ko sa'yo later. Tapos, ang maganda dito, may legacy ka. Let's say you're old, you have enough money, pwede mo na siyang ibigay sa anak mo, sa apo mo, o ito, sabi mo sa kanya, ituloy mo to, that income to, sa'yo na income, i-manage mo, you continue building, that's it. Ano po yan? Di ba? Ang ganda na. Di ba? At the same time, while you're doing this part-time or full-time, over a span of time, over 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, na-improve mo na yung health mo, may passive income ka pa, meron ka pang time to do what you want, kung ano yung passion sa buhay. You only live once, remember. So, importante that you're happy with what you're doing. Okay? We call it multi-level marketing. I call it leverage business. No? That's my term. Maraming taong, I call them dream stealers, no? Who would discourage you. Sabi niya, ay nako, ano ba yan? You know, if you allow them to steal your dream, you're dead. No? If you're allowing them para pigilan ka sa pangarap mo, ano ka? You suffer. Ikaw yung natatalo. Naririnig ko na to many years ago, but now I prove totoo. Maraming negative, maraming nega sa network natin. Pero, ang tanong ko, expert ba kayo? Expert ba sila? Are they qualified to give their own opinion? Look, maganda yung product, maganda yung company, maganda yung compensation. Okay? Tapos nag-fail ka pa. So what is the problem? I think nasa tao na yung problema eh. Nasa mindset niya, nagpapanega siya. Lahat na. No? All factors considered. Bakit ka nag-fail? Ang ganda ng product mo. Ang ganda ng company mo. Okay? In demand yung product mo. Maganda yung income. Tapos you're failing. Something is wrong. May mali. Hindi sa mentor mo, hindi sa kasama mo, kung hindi ikaw mismo, tingnan mo yung sarili mo, and there's something wrong with you. Kung negative ka, kung sensitive ka, kung tampuhin ka dito, you will never succeed. Sala sa init, sala sa lamig. Excited ka bukas, hindi ka na excited ngayon kasi nagtatampo ka. That's very wrong. Okay? So much for that. Maraming tao nagsasucceed. Okay? Si Francis Miguel is one of our most successful direct sellers, leverage business practitioners dito sa Pilipinas. In fact, yung uncle niya, si Sir Romeo, is one of our active members. Ngayon, bata. Si Rafi Tulfo is not a networker. Kaya ako siya sinama dito kasi meron siyang large followers which is making him popular. That's why he is now occupying, a seat in the Senate. Ano ang common denominator? Tao. People helping people. When you help people, they help you. Yung success nila is your success. Hindi naman mahirap intindihin yun eh. Mag-traditional business ka, nag-iisa ka, nakakalungkot. Babantay ka ng... I'm not saying traditional business is bad. Okay. What I'm saying is, for me, this kind of business is better than being in traditional kasi nasubukan na po namin yun. Okay? Morning, bukas, 6 o'clock, sarado, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, Monday to Sunday, pagod ka during holidays, just enough to pay your bills, just enough to pay your creditors, just enough to resupply your supplies, then what? Wala na. It's not worth it for us. For some, it may be. Yung mga malalaki na. Pero even then, ang dami naming kaibigan na malalaki na sa negosyo, over 20 years ang existence nila, pero naghahabol sa cheque, hindi mo makausap for 5 minutes, they don't have time to talk to you because they're all stressed out. Ganun po ang buhay ng entrepreneur. Cargo mo lahat. Sa ganitong klaseng negosyo, you're working with a team. Hindi ka nag-iisa. That's my point. Now, ito, example ng one of our active accounts. No? Hindi na namin kilala to. And I'm just showing you some of the many members na meron na sa account na to. Kasi dito, you are allowed multiple accounts. That's the beauty of it. Hindi ko siya pwede explain right now about multiple accounts. I'll explain it in another segment. No? We have accumulated members all over Cagayan and some parts of the Philippines, including Canada, Greece, UK, Middle East. Nagpapadala kami ng products sa mga countries na to. So, ang income mo, okay, na mo-monitor mo daily and monthly kasi bibigyan ka ng sarili mong dashboard real time. You will be trained to navigate and operate your dashboard, make an online purchase online, activate members online, napakadali na po, digital. You have your own password, username, etc. You can do this from your home, from the mall, from anywhere. Okay? You can activate any members from a distance. So that is technology, sinasabi ko kanina. And ano po end result? Passive income over time. Okay? So yun po ang maganda dito. And you can even achieve a higher rank within, in our case, 5.5 months. And the next rank after this rank is about, I would say 3-4 months away. Okay? I hope. Because of the volume of business that is coming in, the number of memberships that are coming in, lahat na considered, we will accelerate to the next round. Okay? What else? Okay. Overview, ang business kasi runs on point system. Okay? May value. It has been proven na madali mag-compute ng income kung it is based on value or point system. There are two types of Revobit value. CP company points, ito po yung pag-aari ng kumpanya. Ito po yung kailangan i-purchase from the company para po ma-cover nila expenses nila at saka yung kailang margin. Yung active points, na-accumulate yan, pag lumalaki na yung business mo, lumalaki yung users, lumalaki na yung retailers, lumalaki yung builders mo sa grupo mo, nagkakaroon po kayo ng accumulation of many active points as much as 10,000 to 12,000 RV points, no? Monthly. Okay? In our case, after almost 6 months, we are almost hitting 1,000 RV points monthly. Malapit na kami doon. And the good news is 1 RV is equivalent to 90 pesos. So if you have 1,000 RV in your wallet at the end of each month, so yung 1,000 na yan times 90 is 90,000 pesos. Kung meron kang 500 RV sa wallet mo at the end of the month, meron kang 45,000 pesos worth of product or cash. I will teach you how to convert them into cash or into product on another segment. This is just an idea. Kung analyze nyo mabuti, hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng isang toneladang produkto para kumita. Hindi nyo rin kailangan magkaroon ng isang batalyon na members para kumita because of the value points are high. Okay? Use your, judgment sa pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Yung company points is made up of 40%, which goes back to the company of the total payout. Yung active points is made up of 60% of the total payout na bumabalik sa distributor. So lamang ang percentage ng points para sa distributor, which is 60%, 40% lang ang napupunta sa kumpanya to cover their cost and margins. Okay? Hope you understand that. So first, retail. Dito tayo sanay. Marami tayong kilala na dito. Dito tayo nag-uumpisa. Share tayo ng product, nagre-retail tayo, kumikita tayo ng 30 to 40%. For example, sa Riobit, yung membership package mo, pag nag-member ka dito is 4,650. SRP ng 1 Miracell box is 6,000. You earn 1,350. Ang member's price mo, after your starter package price, kumbaga ang lifetime member's price mo, nabibili mo na yung product at 3,750. Mas mura na. So yung first entry package mo, 4,650, 1 box of Riobit. And then yung lifetime price mo after your first entry is 3,750 per box. So, sa nakikita nyo, kikita kayo ng 2,250 to 1,350 per box. If you're selling 10 boxes a month, that is 20,000 pesos per month, sideline or full-time, depende sa inyo. So marami pong members dito sa amin who are already satisfied by selling. Okay? Because they are also using their product, they share their product, nagsasell sila, dinadaan na lang nila sa number of boxes. Maramihan ang number of boxes sa retailing, so the more income nila. Okay? What's next? Ang Riobit system is composed of the binary system and the unilevel system. Under binary, meron kang 4 sources of income: sponsorship bonus, development bonus or pairing, roll-up bonus, group incentive. Sa unilevel, one leg, meron kang unilevel bonus, meron kang travel, meron kang car, meron kang house fund. All in all, ang tawag dito, a combination of both. Hybrid system. So, both of two worlds. Ang ganda ng binary system, ang ganda ng unilevel, kinumbay nila hybrid para mas lalong lumaki ang chance mo para kumita. Kasi kung binary ka lang, okay, you have to rely on your binary. Pag meron ka unilevel, one leg, okay, the more you'll have chances of making income. We will explain this to you. Explain ko talaga sa inyo in detail what is binary or unilevel in another clip. Overview lang po ito. Now, source number 1, sponsor bonus. Pag ikaw nag-invite ng kamag-anak mo or friends into your network, you get a bonus. Number 2, development bonus, binary. The system, the computer system, the data, tracks 1 box on the left, 1 box on the right, ibabangga niya together, meron kang bonus. Take note, hindi po tao ang pinipare dito, box to box. Kaya naman, I'd like to say, this company that I belong to is not a pyramid scheme or a scam or whatever you call it, kasi hindi po tao ang pinipare namin dito para magka-income ka. It is the box on the left or on the right that is being paired. Kung meron kang 100 boxes on the left at meron kang 50 boxes on the right, i-prepare yung 50 boxes, you get income times 50, yung natitirang 50 waiting to be paired. Ganun po siya. Group incentive is derived when meron kang percentage, okay, based on several levels. I'll explain that to you. Roll-up bonus, unilevel bonus, travel fund, car fund, house fund. Ito na po yan. You can enter as a starter, 1 box, 50 RD, 4,500 pesos. 2 boxes, Bronze, 100 RV, 9,000 pesos. Silver, 10 boxes, 45,000 pesos. Gold, 20 boxes, 1,000 RV, 90,000 pesos. Bakit? Doon sa mga curious, try ko nga yung product before I go any further, 1 box. Doon sa mga gustong mag-try, husband and wife, 2 boxes. Okay? Doon sa mga gustong gawing therapy, okay, dahil na-try na nila yung product, they get 10 boxes because they do 2-3 sachets daily. Doon sa mga gold na umukuha ng 20 boxes, a mix of yung mga nagka-therapy or yung mga negosyante na gusto mag-start with 20 boxes. So you can start anywhere. Starter, bronze, silver, gold. Ngayon, may upgrade period kasi. Pag nag-starter ka, you have 30 days to upgrade yourself to bronze. Isang box na lang bibiliin mo. Kasi 2 boxes ang kailangan sa bronze. From bronze, gusto mag-upgrade sa silver, you have 50 days. You only have to buy 8 boxes kasi nakabili ka na ng 2 boxes under bronze. Pagdating mo ng silver, upgrade to gold, wala nang time limit. Okay? Meaning to say, hindi ka na binibigyan ng taning para mag-upgrade. Okay? So, yun po ang maganda sa silver. Okay? Ang benefits kasi ng starter, bronze, silver, gold, okay, nagva-vary. Pag starter, yung benefits mo, okay siya. Pag bronze, mas okay. Pag silver, mas okay. Pag gold, maximum po yung benefits na may enjoy nyo sa lahat po ng mga bonuses. Now, eto po yun. Sponsor bonus. For example, starter ka, nag-invite ka ng friend mo na gusto mag-starter, you get 1,350. Or di kaya nag-bronze siya, you get 2,700. O kaya nag-silver siya, you get 13,500. O kaya nag-gold siya, you get 27,000. Are you following? If in case nag-bronze ka, na-invite mo, nag-starter, 1,350, 2,700, 13,500, 27,000, it's the same. Kasi pare-paros lang 30%. Down to silver. Pag nag-silver ka, ganun din. Pero pag nag-gold ka kasi, you get higher. Starter, 1,575. Bronze, 3,150. Silver, 15,750. Gold is 31,500. Kaya objective mo dito is to be gold as soon as possible. Okay? Pagdating naman sa pairing, eto na yun. Pag starter ka, you're allowed 4,500 pesos daily pairing. Pag bronze ka, you are allowed 9,000 pesos maximum daily pairing. Pag silver ka, you're allowed 225,000 pesos daily. Pag gold, walang limit. Kahit mag-pairing ka, ibig sabihin, 1 box left, 1 box right. Tuloy-tuloy po yun. Okay? That is the development bonus. Ano po yan? The result of your sponsoring for the left and for the right side of your binary system. Now, group incentive, nakukuha mo to based on the income of your direct sponsor. Pag nag-pairing bonus sila sa left, sa level 1 mo, sa level 2, level 3, up to level 10, you get certain percentage. So, for example, meron kang in-invite, naging bronze siya, nag-invite din siya for his left and right, nag-income siya, you get 5% of his or her income. Ganun po yung group incentive. So, we are now starting to enjoy group incentives. Nararamdaman na namin kasi may pumapasok na group incentive every day, times 90. Okay? Then we also have your roll-up bonus. Ito po, reserved for gold. If you are gold and your direct mo or yung invite mo is starter, bronze, or silver, may umaakyat na 5% sa'yo. Okay? As your roll-up bonus. Parang override mo yan. You're enjoying that because you're gold. Pero pag nag-gold na siya, your roll-up bonus will stop, but your other bonuses from his or her production continues po yan. Okay? Uni-level bonus is one of the objectives pag napunta ka rito sa hanap buhay na to. Kasi hindi mo kailangan ng pairing. Any one leg any one leg, no? Tapos yung direct sponsors mo of each leg, of that leg, nagre-repurchase. Halimbawa, sa isang level of one of your account, meron kang, let's say, 20 invites or 20 direct sponsors na ni-sponsor mo, direct mo. Yung 20 na yon, nagre-repurchase every month. Okay? Then you get a percentage of that. Kung meron kang 50 to 100 directs on that leg, at nagre-repurchase yun kasi gusto nila yung product, meron kang yun, certain percentage according to the level. Okay? Ano pa? Okay. So ito, this is a Excel drive, Excel file na ginawa ko. Kasi ganito yan eh. 2 years, 24 months, let's say may fixed income ka na 20,000 per month. Okay? After 2 years or 24 months, meron kang 480,000. Pero malamang yung 480,000 na yan, halos walang natira kasi nagastos mo na. 20,000 a month is quite low pag marami kang expenses. Pero pag yung law of leveraging, yung earning mo, pag nag-direct selling ka at nag-build ka, for purposes of computation lang, halimbawa 10 centavos lang ang kita mo for the first month, pero nagta-times 2 siya. Every month for the next 24 months, for the next 2 years, nagta-times 2. Pag sinuma total mo lahat, mas malaki pa yung kinita mo as a salary. You can be an employee for as long as you want. Pero kung gagamitin mo to as your part-time, di ba mas malaki yung part-time income mo than your full-time job? Ganun din po kasi ginagawa ng iba. Naninigurado sila sa income nila, kaya they stay in their employment. Meron din kami members na traditional businesses. Maintain nila yung traditional business nila, but they're also doing this as additional income. So, both worlds po. Meron naman mga tao like us, hindi kami employed, I'm done with employment, tapos na yung traditional business namin, but we're doing this full time. Ganun din po ang magiging result. Okay? Now, this ends the presentation on the last part. Ito lang po masasabi ko. We're not doing this to hype you. We're doing this, I'm explaining this to you out of our actual experience. Okay? You want to join this group, rest assured in support, magiging mapapansin nyo. Attend our trainings, attend our events, come learn about the business, maging diligent kayo, do this with the right mind, right mental attitude, right personality, you will not fail. Actually, failing is okay. Pero ang point ko dito is try to fail fast as soon as you can. Ibig sabihin, fail fast para makorek mo yung mistake mo immediately. Yun ang aking sinasabi sa inyo. Kasi pag natatagalan kayo mag-fail, mas matatagalan nyo i-correct yung failures nyo. Ang bullet mo, ang weapon mo to succeed in this business is to have the right mindset. Yun lang. Right attitude, right mindset. And look at your group. Focus on how to build your group rather than focusing on, sides na hindi naman relevant. Okay, so after this, I will be, creating another video for another clip which we call it New Distributors Orientation. Pero for me, ang laman kasi noon are, I will be sharing with you the do's and don'ts of doing this business, how to start, how to guide you, how to sustain you. I will be sharing the common mistakes talaga nangyayari that you can avoid, experiences, expectations. Kumbaga, it's trying to present to you the soft skills na kailangan nyo that will help you in this journey. Tuloy-tuloy po ang NDO ko. It never stops. I can do one NDO, I can do the next NDO, And I'm doing this to support all our members. So again, we are on Facebook. If you're not a part of my member, you can still use this as part of your training. You can still share this to your own group, to our cross lines. Okay lang po ito as long as nakakatulong po kami sa industriya. Okay? We're making this cleaner, a better industry, direct selling. So, good luck po and I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you.